So we are at FRI campus, and presently we are just opposite the the students hostel, scientist hostel, and to my left here is the Cas Foss, and we have seen here emergence of termites. So this is the place from where they are exiting. Let me go and get a closer view for you. So you can see a lot of termites accumulated here on the ground, and they're all emerging out from underneath the soil, and their nest would be somewhere inside here. They would swarm out in thousands and would take to air, and slowly later on a few would survive, and once they travel a distance they will break off their wings, form pairs, and thereafter they would burrow inside the soil. There are termites which are, like you can see there, like there are some old termites also, and this is the point from where they are emerging. Let me reveal it better. There you see, they are all emerging out from here. One by one, one by one, one by one. They are emerging out from here, and then they take to air. These are the future possible queens and kings. These are who are going to establish an entirely new colony of this particular clan, and after a while this mouth would be closed. From where they are emerging, this shall be closed. Now, talking about their journey, once they emerge out of this little mouth in the soil from their nest, once they emerge, they are exposed to the elements and to predators. Now the flycatchers and the lizards and so many other creatures of all sorts, they find them to be very, very nutritious and full of energy supplements. So they become food. Majority of them would be predated upon. Few would survive, and even few would make pairs. Even few would make pairs, and then even from that pairs, very few would be able to establish a colony. And whatever few do, they would take a few years to establish the colony and just get it, keep it going. So a wonderful event exposing itself here in the FRI campus between the Cas Foss and the scientists hostel, where these termites are coming out of their nest and are swarming in the air. This is the canal that was built in the older days for keeping this area, bring water for irrigation to this campus itself. So we leave it here and not interfere any further in the processes of nature itself. There's a tree pie. There's another tree pie here. There's a drongo as well, mynas, and a lot of calming birds. Over and out for the time being. Now, back to my vehicle.